Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on record that you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You go down, come here to for same communication mode. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean force in communication mode disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.